This video is brought to you by SBO Digital Marketing. Enroll in our course today and unlock amazing work from home opportunities. Simply send your name and qualification via WhatsApp to 999 to get started.
ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாதீங்க, பெரிய தப்பு. தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்க அரிய வாய்ப்பு. இன்ஸ்டாகிராம், ஃபேஸ்புக் பயன்படுத்த தெரிந்தால் போதும், கண்டென்ட் போஸ்ட் அண்ட் கண்டென்ட் பப்ளிஷிங் மூலமா தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்கலாம். இந்த வேலை செய்ய 5 நிமிடம் போதும். ஒர்க் ட்ரைனிங் சப்போர்ட், குரூப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் சப்போர்ட், ஆல் லாங்குவேஜ் கஸ்டமர் லைவ் சாட் சப்போர்ட், முக்கியமா சொந்தமா ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு உங்களால கற்றுக்கொள்ளவும் முடியும், சம்பாதிக்கவும் முடியும். இந்த வேலை வாய்ப்பு வழங்குவது 5 வருடத்திற்கு மேல ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்க நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டு கம்பெனி ஸ்கூல் ஆஃப் பிசினஸ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் பிரைவேட் லிமிடெட். மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க.
Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to use small and large functions in Excel. Small function is used to extract smallest value in a cell range. Largest function is used to extract largest value in the cell range. Small function is not only used to extract only the first value, it can be used to extract second, third or n number of values from the given data range. Likewise, in largest function also used to calculate the same values. Here from the sheet there are sales report given for the month of January, February and March, and total sales is given. From this we are going to find out the smallest value. For this I type here the formula equal to small of, there are two arguments here. First one is array, that is cell range. I can select all the values from the given data range, total sales, comma k, that is the position of the sales value. Suppose we want the first smallest value, I can give here number 1. Suppose I want 2, I can give number 2 here. So here I give number 1, close the bracket and press on enter. Now you can see the smallest value, which is this one. To verify this, I select this data range, go to home tab, and under sort and analysis I click here sort smallest to largest. I click on OK. Here you can see the smallest number is present at the top and it is same here. Similarly, when I scroll down the value, I can get the second and third smallest values. I double click this. Here you can see I can give number 2 and number 3 instead of 1, and I can get the same results as in the left. Next we are going to see for the largest function. Here I type the formula equal to large of, I type here, I select the total sales column, I select the entire data range, I log this value using absolute cell reference. So I press function F4, comma here we are going to find the second largest value. So I type here comma 2. I close the bracket and press on enter. Now to verify this, I select this data range, go to home tab, and here I choose sort largest to smallest. I click on OK. You can see the second number is same as our result. Instead of 1, we can focus on many cell data range. So I type here, I delete this total sales data range and I choose all from January to March. I select the entire data range and I log this using absolute cell reference function F4. Now we are going to find the first largest number. So here 99,000. You can verify from the whole data range. You can see 99,000 is the largest one. If you want the value at once in a formula, then I can type it here. Before that I delete this answers, and here I click, and here I want first, third and fifth lowest numbers from the total sales column. So here I type 1, 3, 5. Here I use curly braces at the beginning of 1 and at the end of, and finally close the bracket and press on enter. Now you can get all the values here. I extend this column. Now to verify this, I go to the sales column, home tab. Here I click on sort from smallest to largest. Now you can see the first column 1, third column matches with the result, and fifth column matches with the result. So here two things we have to note, that before getting our result, if there is any characters present in the cell, for example I type here D, there you will get the spell error here. Similarly, when there is any space before getting our result, I type space here, and then also you can get spell error. So in this way you can use small and large function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.